listen, today, it's a good day, all right? I gotta take the kids to school. And then I gotta go to the shop and cut some hair like I normally do, all right? Let's go. You guys ready or what? All right, let's go. It's a boring Tuesday, huh? All right, you guys, don't say bye to me. Don't say bye to me. You're saying bye or what? What? Alright, you guys, listen up. It's a new year. It's 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2020, 2023. And yeah, we gonna get this thing by popping. Let's go. Listen. If you like the cut, hit the subscribe button, okay? Hit the like button. I'm gonna give you a minute. I'm gonna give you a minute to hit the like button. Come on, man. You sitting right there. Hit the like button. Where? Where's the subscribe button? What are you doing? Where's? Come on. I don't know where it is. Come on. It's just a click. I don't see the like button, bro. It's right there. Where? You're missing it. Where is it, bro? Come on now. Point me into the direction then. The like button. I don't know. You making it so difficult. How? All right. Whatever. You want to play and act like you don't know where it is. Okay. I don't. You watch YouTube every day. Right. I don't see it. HustleDreamProduction. Alright, so that's the cut. Let's go home. Oh, wait. I forgot to get him out of there. Forgot to take the pins out of his hair. Hold on. Alright. It's out. Wait a minute. I forgot to get my money, man. Oh, God. got to get him out of here. One more mistake. I forgot I had more hair to cut. All right, let's go. I'm not jumping through another loop. Come on in. Let's go upstairs. All this jumping around. All right, YouTube, listen up. When I came home, guess what? Got something in the mail, okay? And I know what it is, and I've been waiting on it. And I want to see, I'm gonna go back and cut at least 2 more people. You know what I'm saying? But bam! Let's see what the hype is about. Let's see if it... I paid for these. I paid for these. So you know I'm finna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it real. What you mean? Talk to me. Let's just take it out of the box, see what it look like. Alright, might as well. Ooh, fancy box. But you know we don't need none of this. I don't really care about none of this. Alright. This is what we came to see. Now they look good. I'm gonna be honest with you. They look good. It look good. All right. I'm gonna charge them up. I'm on my lunch right now. I'm gonna charge them up, and then we just gonna get back to it. I'm gonna give you guys a better look. I don't know if you guys can see the real true color right here. So when I get back into the shop, I'm gonna give you guys the real look. Let's go. All right. So before I get into it, let me zero gap these before I test them out. All right. They're zero gapped. This is the way they sound. Pretty quiet. You could barely hear it. Let's test it out. Alright, so I zero gap these. These semi hit, but let's be real, the stock blades never hit like that. You know what I mean? It's not until you put on the modified blades is when it really take it up to that next level. So I'm gonna try that. They hit, they don't hit though. You know what I mean? Let's try it. Alright, so there's no way you could put the modified blade on here. I tried, and it's something that has to do with these 2 holes right here in the middle. These 2 holes right in the middle, it's not aligned. I don't know, but you gotta be stuck with these blades or modify this one. You know what I mean? If you can get somebody to file it down, that's a lot of work at this point, but they hit, they just don't hit, you know? Like, I got better hitters. Is what I'm trying to say, but they cool, they good, they if you ain't got none, they cool. Alright, I seen Deluxe talking about I fell off. He trying to sit here and tell me how to run my channel. I'm like Drake with it.
I had someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I needed that.
I needed that booster. You kidding me? Deluxe. That was so on point. That just made my whole video like this. Oh, it's always something. Look. I'm recording, babe. I'm recording. I said I'm working. So obviously I'm recording. So when you said blue, you just threw off the whole thing. Great. I should play this just like I'm gonna hurt myself. Ready?
Yeah.
Ah! I forgot to get my money, man.